Switch to my winter tires.
When I step outside, I can feel the temperature drop right away, and I know it's time to switch to my winter tires.
Traction and braking.
Once the temperature stays below 7 degrees Celsius, winter tires make a big difference in traction and braking.
On rims.
Are your winter tires on rims?
Winter tire swap.
Yes, I'm here for a winter tire swap. My appointment is at 10.
While balancing.
Do you want us to do wheel balancing?
Checks the tread depth.
Before putting them aside, he checks the tread depth and gives each tire a quick inspection.
Retorque.
After driving about 40 kilometers, it's a good idea to stop and re-torque the lug nuts.